Typhoon Lannie enters the Philippine area of responsibility. As of 5 p.m., State Weather Bureau Pag-asa says Lannie is 1,370 kilometers east of Apari. It packs maximum sustained winds of up to 120 kilometers per hour and gustiness of up to 145 kilometers per hour. Tropical Depression Maring, meanwhile, is estimated to be 300 kilometers east of Infanta, Quezon. Maring has maximum sustained winds of 45 kilometers per hour and gustiness of up to 60 kilometers per hour. Because of Maring, signal number 1 is raised in Catanduanes, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Northern Quezon, including Polillo Islands, Aurora, Quirino, and Nueva Ecija.